So today we're doing a roasted infused cauliflower dish. We're going to go ahead and cut up our cauliflower and season it with the rosemary, thyme, basil, and garlic. We're also going to add a bit of the tomato paste to that so we can get some nice color. Add a little more salt to the dish, and then next we're going to start cutting up our Brussels sprouts. I did a nice dice here because we're going to saute those and break down the flavor. Next we're adding our tomatoes, chuck the cauliflower so it's roasted nicely. Just turn it a little bit and then get our oil ready to continue cooking. We're going to saute some mushrooms here, a little butter. That breaks down, it's mostly water. Add the tomato and rosemary. Next we're going to add some garlic. We're going to now saute our Brussels sprouts and then our infused oil. Then we basically plate cauliflower at the bottom, Brussels sprouts, tomato relish on top, but it's infused, and so you don't add too much salt. We did a zested of lime, and this is just a second version of that plating. Thank you for watching for our infused cauliflower dish. Enjoy.